Hey guys, we're back. Had one of you guys comment on how to, we showed you guys how to remove these drip rail moldings, and then somebody asked about this front little corner piece, this guy right here. So we forgot to make you that video, so we're gonna make it for you guys. If you come around here, let me get a light to show you guys, maybe a little easier. You see, if you get one of these guys, a clip remover, and just kind of just wedge it in here and slowly just lift up on it, it comes out. See, right now it's still stuck. If you can continue to yank, you'll break that back one. You got to get in here more and pop it out. It's held on by these guys. These are easy to break. Let me show you on here. You got these guys right here. These go into. This guy will pop out pretty easy. Can't really break this guy. So usually you want to put the clip remover like up here. Don't do it from here because then you'll ruin the paint in your fender. Get it from the inside the door. When this guy's on like this, it's good to come in like right here. So you can pop this out and then, get down here and pop this out and then get further back in to, give it some more relief. Because if you get these two out and you pull, you're gonna snap this guy. And then you're gonna be pissed because it's gonna cost you $7 to replace it. And going back on, you can't put it on with the door closed. You have to open the door. And then get in here, very simple. What I like to do is get this bottom one right here in, push the top, and then you can go any way you want. If one breaks, it's still usable, but change it as you please. And that's how you remove this. Watch the video and do these guys. I'm sure you want to remove this to paint that black. That's how you do it. Or spend the $7 and just order them new, put them in. That's about it.